Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change ear tips on your headphones OPPO ENCO BUDS 2. You have to start by remove your headphones from the charging case and now remove the old tips on the first one and the second one. Now choose the new ear tip size and attach new ear tip. Here we go, and for the second one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!